SPOD is the social platform for open data created within the Root to PA project. In SPOD 1.6 we have introduced a new co-creation room, where a group of users can create a new dataset. As an example, assume that we want to write a new dataset about the humidity of our town, from some personal observations. We have, first, to create a new data co-creation room, filling the form with all the related information, including the name of the room, the subject, the period of usage, and the members. When we have finished, the new room is created. The name we have used is humidity. You can see that we can choose to split screen between the dataset and some additional information. In this example we will show always the screen split in half, as the dataset we are working on is very simple and fits in half screen. In this way we can show the datasets with its datalets or its metadata. There is the possibility to have a discussion. On the left you see the shared spreadsheet, where we will enter the data. Now, we can enter the humidity for each month. We will enter only the first 5 months. Now, let us create a visualization of the dataset by a datalet. Click on the button to the right, and the controllet is shown. That will be referring to the dataset just created. Let us choose the 2 columns and the simple bar chart. Now we have a dataset and a visualization. Notice that if we change the value from the dataset, then the visualization changes. We can add multiple visualizations to see different views of the same dataset. We can also create the notes for the dataset, writing, for example, where the data comes from. Now, we should create the metadata. Just as an example, let us write only the title and the description. Of course, this spreadsheet is collaborative. The users that I have invited in the room can modify the data, the notes, and the metadata. The data that is created in this room is currently visible only to the users of this room. If we want to make them available, then we should publish them by using the button on the top left. The data is shown, and you can choose to definitely publish them on the SPOD. Now the data is accessible by everybody on the SPOD and used into the discussions. From the co-creation page, you can see all the datasets that have been published by all the users with their version, notes, and metadata. Notice that each time the same dataset is exported again, the version number is changed. Now, I can simply create a new datalet by using the controllet as usual. There it is.
For more information, please consult www.roottopa.eu.